If you run ads on Google for your cleaning business and Google asks you to turn on auto apply recommendations, here's what I would recommend. If Google asks you to apply recommendations automatically in your Google Ads account, I would recommend that you do not do this. Do not turn on this feature. Do not auto apply anything. You want to only apply recommendations that you have looked at, decided for yourself that this is an appropriate recommendation to apply to your account. And only in that case would you ever apply a recommendation that Google makes to your account. Every other recommendation should be looked at critically and perhaps dismissed. And then if you'd like to make changes to your account based on the recommendations that Google's made to you, you can go make those changes outside of the recommendations tab inside of your Google Ads account. But I would highly recommend that you not turn on auto apply recommendations and that you not accept Google's recommendations unless you know exactly what you are accepting, what you are applying to your account, and how that change is going to impact things, because Google makes recommendations that will change settings in your ad account. It will loosen your targeting. It will help you expand your targeting to more people, which is supposed to help your business, right? But if you run a cleaning business and you serve a specific geographic area, you don't necessarily want to expand your targeting to people outside of your geographic area. You don't want to expand your targeting to people who are looking for cleaning supplies or to buy cleaning things at Walmart or, at the grocery store. You don't want to find customers who are looking for anything except for a cleaning business like yours. Auto-applying recommendations is going to remove the targeting features that you have in place, which are kind of like the controls that you have in place to make sure that you're getting results. And it's going to add in a bunch of extra junk and a bunch of extra stuff that you don't want to target with your ads. So if you run a cleaning business and Google wants you to auto-apply recommendations, even if they send you an email that looks like this and says, for your approval, turn on auto-apply recommendations to help improve your marketing objectives, I strongly recommend that you do not click this button to enable any auto-applied recommendations in your account. If you have somebody managing your ads for you, speak with them about whether or not they would be auto-applying recommendations for you. Whoever's managing your ads should be taking a look at the recommendations tab at least, once every couple of weeks to make sure that they're dismissing those recommendations and then probably making their own changes inside of your account. If you've hired a competent ad professional, they're probably not auto-applying these recommendations. I know my team does not. So I would recommend you do the same. Just ignore emails like this from Google. Do not click buttons trying to auto-apply recommendations inside of your account. It's going to lead you to spend more money and get worse results. If this was helpful, hit like. If you want to grow your cleaning business, hit subscribe. I'm Reuben with BookCleaningJobs.com, and I'll talk to you later.